The easiest way of making money on YouTube without making videos from scratch yourself is with Creative Commons videos. According to YouTube, by making your original video with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to use and edit that video. And of course, that's a great news for most video creators like you and I, and that's simply because we can now use Creative Commons videos in our own videos without getting any copyright claims. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to find, use, and make money with Creative Commons videos on YouTube. Now, Creative Commons videos on YouTube usually have a CC license which allow the video to be used by anyone on the platform to distribute, adapt the video or build upon it and use it for commercial purposes. Which means, provided you have the YouTube requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can now monetize any of your videos made with Creative Commons videos. However, there are a few things that you should know about Creative Commons videos before you start using them. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money on YouTube using other people's videos, make sure to check the playlist that pops up on the top right of this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Many creators just starting out on YouTube usually think Creative Commons is just content that is free to use with no strings attached. Well, if you are one of those, I really think you should better understand some basic background information, especially if you want to monetize a video you are using Creative Commons videos to create. Now, in actual fact, Creative Commons is an international non-profit organization, and they are out to help overcome legal obstacles of sharing knowledge and creativities to address one of the world's pressing challenges. Simply put, Creative Commons helps to increase the accessibility of content online, like videos, allowing for its legal use and distribution by others. Let's just start by looking at how to find Creative Commons videos on YouTube. YouTube makes it extremely simple to find Creative Commons videos on their platform. So if you type, for example, any keyword into the YouTube search bar, you'll see the videos that are related to your search displayed as usual. Now, to get YouTube to display only Creative Commons videos that are related to your search term, you want to click on the filter tab here at the top and then look for the Creative Commons option and click on it. If you go now and check the videos displayed on the YouTube search after selecting the Creative Commons option, you'll see that most of the search results are all Creative Commons videos, which means they are free videos for you to use. To double check, you want to click through to the video that you want to download and use. Now, below the video you have chosen to use, click on this show more here, and then at the bottom of the description area here, you'll see this license section that reads Creative Commons Attribute License, Reuse Allowed. So if I was to use this video to create a video for my channel, here is how I'll give the attribution to this video. After uploading my video, I'll just go to the description area here at the bottom and add the video title, and at the end here I'll add license under CC by 2.0. That's how you give attribution to the original video that you are using to create your video. Now, according to the YouTube terms and conditions, users are not allowed to download any video from the platform except they have a premium service. So, how do you then download the Creative Commons videos you want to use? Well, you definitely need a third-party tool like the YouTube MP3, which you can use to download MP3 sounds and MP4 videos from YouTube. You'll find the link to this tool in the description box below this video. Now, after downloading your video, you have the option of using the video exactly as you downloaded it, but it's much more better and more professional if you edit the video and make it your own. One other reason why you might want to edit your Creative Commons videos before you upload them on YouTube is because sometimes creators might change their video license and can hold your video against copyright claims in the future. You can check out the video link that pops up on the top right of this video on how to edit videos that fall under the YouTube Fair Use guidelines. Now, let me just ask you this quick question. Have you ever tried using Creative Commons video clips in your own video? Post your answers in the comments area below this video, and don't forget to hit that like button while down there if you'd like to learn more on how to monetize your Creative Commons videos. Now, assuming you have already edited the video and uploaded it on YouTube, now it's time to monetize the video. Here are 5 ways of making money on YouTube using just Creative Commons videos. AdSense, of course, is the most common way of monetizing videos on YouTube. AdSense are basically ads that are displayed on your video. That means advertisers pay for these ads to be displayed on your channel videos, and for that you get a cut of the advertising revenue. You just have to keep in mind that your channel needs to be enabled for monetization before ads will start running on your channel videos. To enable your channel for monetization, as I've already mentioned, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. I know if you're just starting out on YouTube, you might look at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours as just too much, but you can cut half of the work down by simply finding Creative Commons videos on a popular topic that gets a lot of views, edit them a little bit, and post them on YouTube. You might also want to check out the playlist that pops up on the top right of this video if you would like to learn how to start generating views and subscribers to your video and channel as a whole. Affiliate marketing is the second common way creators use to make money with their posted videos on YouTube. The best thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create the product or the marketing materials for the product. All you have to do is sign up as an affiliate and start promoting the product. You can use a Creative Commons videos to create a review video of a product. Take for example, if your video is about dog training, you can find Creative Commons videos about dog training by just entering the phrase dog training in the YouTube search bar. Then filter the results to Creative Commons. You can use any of these videos now to create a video that is related to dog training. After creating the video and posting it on YouTube, you want to look for a dog training product on sites like ClickBank. Get the affiliate link of the product and paste it in the description area below the video. And if any viewer clicks on the link and buys the product or the training, you will make some commission. The commissions on ClickBank can range from 50 up to 100%. Now, you can also make money on YouTube by promoting product through video ads campaign using Creative Commons videos. Take for example, you might want to test out a video ads campaign, but you don't want to waste your time creating a new video. Instead, you can easily find a Creative Commons video to test your video ads campaign. Take this for example, if I want to run an ad for a local plumbing site, I can use any of these Creative Commons videos on plumbing to create a video that I can use for my video ads. Generating leads is also another great way of making money with your videos on YouTube. Generating leads from your YouTube videos to build an email list is a great way to follow up with your channel viewers. You can easily grab a Creative Commons video, for example, on a specific topic, then add your own video intro and call to action at the end of the video. After creating a video with a call to action that leads people to an email capture page, you can now create an email capture page like this, giving away something that is related to the chosen topic for free. You can give away a free downloadable cheat sheet or ebook, for example, in exchange of contact information of your channel viewers. After your viewers start subscribing to your email list, you can now follow up with them and sell them other related products. Now, the final way of making money with your Creative Commons videos is to sell your own products. Now, let's just say you have your own product that you wish to promote on YouTube. You can find a Creative Commons video or videos that illustrate your product or a similar product, edit it a little bit and post them on YouTube with a link to the sales page of your own product in the video description. And there you have it, the 5 ways of making money with Creative Commons videos on YouTube. I hope it was all helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.